Hello, this is Nick with nickspages.com. Today I'm going to show you how to add content and edit content on boatmax.com. First thing you do is you go all the way to the bottom and you click on sign in. Then you sign in with your credentials. And then you're going to be automatically redirected to a page that has all the content. Here's all the content, and this specific username has a permission to edit the inventory and as well as the blogs and as well as the auctions on the site. So when you're here, you can actually go, this is showing everything right now, and then if you wanted to just show the inventory items, you can filter it here by clicking inventory item, and this shows all the inventory items here. So let's say you find the one, you can actually search for the actual boat right here. Once you get to it, then you just click on edit. You can actually edit it through viewing it first and then clicking edit. So once you're here at the edit screen, you can edit all the information, all the fields, all the images. Here's your image uploader. You can click on advanced uploader to upload in bulk. You just click on add files, and then you add a few of them at a time. Click start upload, and that's a really quick way of uploading once you've taken pictures of the boat. And then also, if you want to import from an external URL, you can actually go to Boat Trader and import an image from an external website. So you can just click on find an image that you like, right click, copy image address, you import like that. And there's the image. Here's the alternative text. If you have some time, you could just put a quick keyword in there. That's good for search engine optimization. Here's the brand. Here's the product code, availability, the price, product details. Click save, and then it updates everything. You can actually delete it here, but you don't want to delete unless you actually want to delete, because sometimes you might want to keep the information in the database, and therefore you'd want to actually unpublish it rather than delete it. So let's go back to the dashboard just by clicking all content here. This little tab is there only when you're signed in as the employee. So let's say you want to get rid of this. You don't want anybody to see it because you just got rid of it. So you click on it, and on the bottom you want to unpublish it. Unpublish content, click apply, confirm, and that actually takes it off for the anonymous users, and only the employees can see it. And then of course, let's go back to the content. So this is how you can edit all three things: the inventory items, the blogs, as well as the auctions. So that's the content that's on the actual website now. So let's say you want to add something new. All you do is click add content right here. You have the option to add a blog, add an inventory item, and then here you'd be able to add the auction. So click add auction, and then click auction. And here's just the information for each auction. You just fill it out. It's very detailed. Has everything from the SKU images, the beam, the draft, the dead rise, fuel, cockpit area, pretty much everything you can imagine. You just fill it out, and then on the auction timeout, you select a date that you want it to time out and the time. You press save, and then the auction appears right here in live auctions. Then anonymous users can see that you have an auction there, and the ones that are interested in placing a bid, they're able to register as a bidder and put their bids, and then at the end of the auction, the highest bidder gets the actual boat put into their shopping cart, and then they're able to check out and pay for the boat either by check at BoatMax or through PayPal. So it's pretty cool about that. Let's go back to the add content screen here. So you can add an auction, you can add a blog entry, Here's just a simple blog entry. It's just a simple title, body, image. You can get the image if it's for something else. Inventory item. Here's the inventory item. You got all this information here to fill out. Once again, here's the historical information. And you can also do this on the mobile, so you can be out there on the shop and actually sign in there and take pictures of the inventory, post them, do some reconciliation, all kinds of cool stuff with this. And then once you're all done, you just go on the bottom here, click log out, and you're logged out, ready to go. So that's how you edit the content on boatmax.com. Thank you for using nixpages.com.